I'm Jacob Dusick and this is Sage Safaris. We've taken a page from African safari camps and we've gone for very luxury items with our tents. They have real beds, nice big wood stoves to keep it warm, everything you'd want. Meals are part of the package at Sage Safaris, and our private chef will prepare you 3 gourmet meals a day. We use local produce wherever possible, and our evening meals come with complimentary wine. Each tent has its own private wet room, which is permanently heated and has a walk-in shower. All of the land that's here is for the exclusive use of our clients. We will never book more than 1 group at a time, so anyone who books with us will have it all to themselves, including the campsite, the clay pigeon grounds, all of our vast tracts of private land. Everything that's here is yours. We pride ourselves in our habitat at Sage Safaris and believe that it can rival the best upland destinations in North America. Our habitat ranges from cropland to native plants. We've got several creeks, waterways and reservoirs on the properties, and they've got a huge range of plant life. It makes for challenging hunting and it keeps people on their toes. Quality is very important to us here, and we provide guides and dogs with all of our packages. Our guides are highly trained and experienced, and our dogs are particularly suited to this type of terrain. Of course, if you prefer to bring your own dogs, we're more than happy to accommodate you, and we've got facilities here that they can stay in. Anyone who comes here will see a lot of wildlife, almost guaranteed. We have all kinds of upland birds, striped-tail, sage grouse, pheasants, Hungarian partridge. We also have lots of migratory birds. There's several species of big game, including antelope, mule deer, white-tailed deer, and you'll see them